This new development goes by the name Piferx and serves to connect the parapet and the balcony slab. It's quick, dependable, and can be assembled in factories or right on the construction site. The weight of the parapet and its loads get moved to the slab, making it perfect for balconies set to be glazed later on. Piferx removes the need for welding and extra cement use, and if something doesn't go as planned, the construction can be easily taken apart. It's no surprise that the Finnish manufacturer made profits of $342 million last year.